I gotta go pay my debts from last night. I got involved in a little gambling, lost my butt. I have a craving for pandesal this morning, so Terry and I are going to look for some pandesal. They used to come into the village and right by the house here, but
mosquito bites.
I don't think they make it this far anymore because by the time they get here, they're out of pandesal. So, are those slippers too small for you? Huh?
Lalo kadakas ano mo chinilas? Ha? Tulula. Tulula? Kada ko man. Kama ni mo chinilas?
Slippers too small.
Waray. Waray? Tulula. Oh.
Oh.
Sige, pagkuha sa ano kita mo chinilas.
So anyway, I said there's a bakery here. So we're gonna search out the bakery. No.
How are you gonna get her?
I forget.
Huh?
I forget.
I gotta get some money here.
Okay. We're going shopping, got no money. But Pirak Dos is what I've been told. Pirak Dos is down that way. Pirak Dos. It's not that way, it's this way. Not that way. So go this way.
Wait.
Don't run me and get her home. Skinny kitty.
How did you find this place?
It wasn't easy. I had to ask directions from like four different people, and none of them spoke English. First I went that way, but it's not that way, it's this way. Can't get down there with a car. Can't get down here with a car either. Oh, a big yard. In case you smoke. Here's the bakery coming up on the right.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Here's the bakery. At the edge of the jungle.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Pandesal, that's pandesal. Hello. Ikaw tindahan dito? Oh.
Maray po kami sa pandesal.
Ano maliton?
No.
Pandecoco po.
Pandecoco. Ano mo pandecoco?
Oh.
Naan?
Ano nga pandecoco? Yun na pandecoco.
What is that down there? I like Pandecoco. Give me some Pandecoco.
You want a Pandecoco?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Probably Nene's has something like this.
No, there's only one bakery in town. This is the bakery. They bake it.
Do you
here.
make their own?
You make this here?
Kayo gumagawa din? Oh, okay. Hindi kayo nag-ano ng mga pandesal?
Ay, hindi. Wala pa nga yung
Oh, okay.
Wala pa kasi naglalako.
Pandecoco?
Kamu din naghihimo sa nga pandecoco?
Oo, te. Ini nga tanan namang tinda kami naghimo. Adi lagi daw mo
Okay.
One Pandecoco.
Tagi ka pandecoco. Ano?
What is this? What is this?
I don't know.
What is that?
Na naman ito?
Billiards.
Ha?
Ay, ni po.
Uh-huh.
Doña Paz, tinapay lat na waray palaman.
Let me get that. Magkano lahat?
20 tikay, juice mo lamang.
Okay.
So, I don't know what it is, but some kind of bread, huh? Yeah. No pandesal. Wanna go eat your food in the jungle?
They make their own.
Yeah, that's the bakery.
But I said, how come you don't make a pandesal soup? Because they have a pandesal people go around.
Yeah, but wouldn't you think locally made pandesal would be better than
I don't know.
people bringing pandesal?
I have no idea.
Ooh, that's good.
I don't know if this is a fresh one or it's still
That one there, fresh?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Maybe they get up at 3 o'clock in the morning and they bake.
I don't know.
Alright, we're back at the main intersection. I got hot coffee waiting. Oh, huh. Is that durian? That's durian then.
Huh?
Durian?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick that.
Huh?
I'm gonna pick that pretty soon. Smells like a sweet bread. This is Pandecoco. If you don't know what Pandecoco is, it's basically just pandesal with coconut and filling. So you can see the coconut. Well, here's coffee. Total cost of our breakfast this morning was 20 pesos, not including the jelly and the coffee. That's free. What's wrong with my camera here? Breakfast is over. I gotta go pay my debts from last night. I got involved in a little gambling last night. Lost my butt. These Filipino hustlers. Beware. They will take your money every time. But I've learned my lesson. You're not getting no more money from me. Sometimes you gotta take shortcuts. Unless they want to walk all the way around, I'll go with the short route. It comes with obstacles. And a few giant mosquitoes. I have not biffed myself in here once yet, but now we're on the next street and we're heading to the pool hall. That's right, our village has a pool hall. And this is where I got hustled last night. Yeah. Ooh, landmine. Sounds like they're up and running this morning already. Yeah, there's the proprietor making his money. I come to pay my debt. You got change? You got no change? You don't get paid then. No change. This is the barangay pool hall. This place ought to have cash. I need change. 2 500s. You got 2 500s?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm up. Where's your? I gotta pee. I lost in pool last night. I lost in pool.
How much?
300. Big money. Where's my wife? Have you seen my wife?
Inside lang yun.
Oh. Oh, there's her shoes. Their shoes are here. Hey, puppy dogs.
Hey! What are you doing here?
I come to pay my debt. What? You want to play? Huh? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? All right. Who's next? I've got money.